G'day everybody, my name's Greg and welcome to another episode of Poppy's 3D Prints. This is just going to be a very quick one. These are the K-pop ladies which I just printed out for my granddaughter. She's going to the concert very shortly and I thought this would be a great thing to print out for her before she goes to the concert. So these are actually printed by Hiko 3D on MakerWorld, and I'll put the link down below so you have this. Now these are absolutely fantastic prints. They all take different times. For example, young Zoe, she's only 8 hours, and also Brummy's 8 hours also. However, Myra, she takes about 12 hours to print. They are articulated, all the bodies, legs move, they are really good. Hands move, obviously arms move, everything else. They're actually fantastic. Hopefully she'll love them. She's due home very, very shortly, so these will be a great surprise for her. I'm going to put these on the kitchen table. So when she walks in, she'll be able to see them, and then she can take these and have her own little K-pop concert. That's about it. Please click the like and subscribe button if you do like this. I know they're shocking videos, but I am trying. I did actually make videos of putting these all together for you, but I absolutely stuffed that up. Oh, sorry, knocked that one over. So all the best, and see you next time. Uru.
Here you go, my dear.
Wow, thank you.